Sound check. All right. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Give me a second, everybody. I need to check something. All right. Are we doing good? How are we doing? Looks like we are doing good, right? Give me a second, everybody. That's going good, and it's doing good. This one not doing that good. Give me a second, everybody. And all right, it's all right. It's all right. Okay, everybody, this is the Forex trading course 101. Remember what is our job? It's to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years on average in an institutional way. What does this mean? As always, first the analyst, then the trader. Remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? Today we are going to talk about false crowns and the Fibonacci's. If you didn't receive the free manual, send me an email to the Gmail and read disclaimer. This stream, it's not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. That being said, everybody, all right, we are here. And let's click on crowns because this is our last lesson on crowns. Let's click on crowns. Let's click on crowns and see if I forgot something. Okay, we talked about that crowns appear at the market wave. We talked about that crowns appear in the short-term trend. Crowns are reversal patterns and appear in most of the patterns, market wave, trends, Fibonacci's on all time frames. We explained that crown, it's an advanced pattern, advanced head and shoulder. Hello Sam, how are you? And Sam, are you ready to join Forex course 2? Hedge fund trader Sam will always at the finish of the Forex course 101. Are you ready? What's the plan, Sam? Do you want to join before August? Do you want to join after August? Boss, why August? August, you know, it's vacation time, right? Vacation time. So moving forward, crowns are also tradable patterns. Do crowns work? Alright, so do crowns work? You bet, but we also have false crowns. We talked about the crowns, how to trend crowns. Trend line break, lower low, wait for the retracement, draw the counter trend line. Alright, here are 2 examples how to trade the crowns. Alright. Sam, because I know you sent me an email, we are going to have a Fibonacci mastery. Sam, listen to me. We are going to have the Fibonacci mastery. Let me just confirm the date. We are going to have the Fibonacci mastery 15 of June. Okay, 15 of June. We are going to have the Fibonacci mastery if you want to join. And everybody else too if you want. Alright, now here are 2 examples of how to trade crowns in the correct way and the wrong way. We talked about this yesterday. And trading the Fibonacci number. So there is none. Alright, let's go here. Okay, everybody, it's a no-brainer. False crowns and the Fibonacci. Where do false crowns appear? I want to join, but I'm still learning 101. We are ending 101 in about 2 months. 2 weeks. How long it lasts? Right, give me... I have an answer for you. Give me a second. I'm looking at the titles paper, but I believe we're almost ending, so... Okay, we are going to end, everybody, we are going to end Forex course 101, the systematic full Forex course, in about 2 weeks time. Okay, we are ending, and how curious, today it's 15, you know, we're in the middle of May. Alright everybody, so in about 2 weeks, end of May, Forex course 101, it's over. Okay, what does this mean? Don't worry, we are going to restart it back from scratch, but we're going to back to lesson number 1, you know, lesson number 1 for the newcomers, for the student traders who were not here last year. Okay, one more time. Boss, can you repeat please? Yes sir. Let's go on the calendar. So May 31st we are ending Forex course 101. Alright, chapter closed, the book is closed, and we are starting the, not online, not on Dukascopy, but we are starting the private class of the Advanced Institutional Trader course. Alright everybody, you're welcome to join. Otherwise, June the 3rd, we go back to Forex course 101, lesson 1. Alright Sam? Okay everybody? Alright. Moving forward, talking about false crowns and the Fibonacci's. If this is the Fibonacci, everybody, and this goes into retracement and then extension, false crowns, most of the time, they appear above the B high. Okay? False crowns on the Fibonacci appear most of the time. And remember, this is even the wrong crown. This is a bullish crown. It's a crown reversal. But we've learned that crowns are reversal patterns. I'm learning, but I'm still making silly mistakes. Don't bother, Sam. We all do mistakes, alright? You don't need to bother. In the sense, don't worry, alright? Okay, everybody, nobody's perfect, you are making mistakes. You are going to make mistakes. Okay, but if you want to learn the secrets of how to make money and be a consistently profitable trader, then the next step is Forex course 2.2. And give me a second, everybody, I need to do something. Talking about trading, right? I need to do something. Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second, give me a second. Alright, and 172, sell the market. Alright, it's alright. Yeah, I'm trading, you know. I'm giving you a class. I'm giving you a class and I'm trading too. You know. So hopefully hopefully we are going to see some money. All right. Yes, everybody, don't be afraid of making mistakes. All right. Anyway, talking about the false crowns and the Fibonacci's, let's go one by one and let's try to find one. Okay, so let's go on AUD-CAD. We're going to go one by one and we're going to try to find false crowns. Okay. Sam and everybody else, are you building your charts? Are you building your charts? I don't expect you to have those two that I'm moving the mouse. We are going to learn tomorrow and the next 2 days we're going to learn about simple indicators. We're going to learn about simple indicators, what do they represent, how they work. So I don't expect you to have this, but if I do something like that, all right, and for our chart, now this is how your trading station should look like. Make sense, everybody? Not with the indicators, this is for tomorrow. Are you building your charts, everybody? Boss, what do you mean? I mean that you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. You don't need to have the Fibonacci necessarily if you don't like the Fibonacci's or the Fibonacci's are too difficult to understand. Alright, now let's see, this is the most recent Fibonacci on AUD-CAD daily chart. Let's see if we can find some false crowns. Alright, and yes we do. Yes we do. Can you see, everybody? Look in here. Don't we have left tip, center tip, higher high? Or, oh, this is not a low, so I can go like this, right? Don't we have left tip, everybody? Don't we have left tip, center tip, higher high? Sam says, I have made some of them, but not all. Try to speed up, Sam. Alright. Anyway, send me an email, so that I can know, everybody. If you're interested to join the Advanced Institutional Trader course, send me an email because we need to talk about schedule. Right? Maybe our time schedule is not in synergy. Boss, I want to have class with you, advanced trading course, advanced trader, 3 p.m. my time. Well, I don't have time at your time. Okay? Everybody, not just Sam, everybody. Send me an email. Oh, I'm planning to, or I'm available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm available at those times, alright? The sooner the better. The first come, first is served. I don't want to sound arrogant because I'm not, but I can take only that much new students. Okay, everybody? See the crown, everybody, above the B? If you would buy this bullish crown because you didn't listen that crowns are reversal patterns, what would happen? we would, me and you, we would lose, right? I'm also doing a lot of backtesting of what I've learned. Excellent, this is good. So false crowns appear above the B, and so this is not a crown, everybody, right? Left tip, center tip, higher high, and it made a lower low, so this is not a crown. Okay, and now AUD CAD, it's moving up still. AUD is strong, so this is AUD CAD. Let's move on the other one. Let's move to AUD CHF. Everybody enroll as soon as possible so that I can give you a discount on the Fibonacci Mastery, alright? There is no free lunch, but I can give you some discounts. I'm trying to help you. Alright? AUD daily chart. Oh my gosh, no Fibonacci on the daily chart? So let's go back in here and Fibonacci on price action. A, B, A to B. Come on, J Forex. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, the market broke our A, so the next Fibonacci is up in here. A, B, C, D, red went to red, almost top us out, red went to red, so this is our last Fibonacci, right? Okay, and so far we don't have any crowns. Okay, everybody? I had a conversation with the Forex Course 101 student yesterday, and just to remember, don't forget that in an uptrend, you know, you should not trade a bullish crown. Everybody listen to me, you know. In an uptrend or in an up market wave, you should not trade a bullish crown as a tradable pattern. Why not? One more time. Crowns are reversal patterns. Crowns are reversal patterns. So if you are an extension, you should be look or wait or monitor for a bearish crown. Crowns are reversal. What does the manual say? If you're not willing to listen to me, listen to the manual. But I built the manual. Crowns, see the crowns, everybody? Crowns are reversal patterns. So be careful not to do this. Alright? Don't trade bullish crowns. Trade an uptrend. Trade an uptrend. Counter trend line break. Stop loss down in here. This is a way to go, but this is totally different if you would trade the crown. See everybody what we are doing? This is us self-sabotaging because we are trading a bullish crown where we should not. We're going to put the stop loss on the center tip of the crown, and the market is going to stop us out, and then it's going to go back up and take up in our direction. Just because I didn't follow the rules that the crown is a reversal pattern and I was trading a bullish crown in an uptrend. Alright? Yes, the stop loss, it what makes the difference. Boss, but I could have trade the bullish crown and put the stop loss below the relevant low of the shortened trend. No, no. Thanks for the comment, but I mean, I'm trying to help you, right? And we know each other, by the way. We know each other online. You are trying to invent hot water right now. Does this make sense? You're trying to invent hot water because you are trading a crown and your stop loss is in an uptrend. So you're not trading an uptrend, you're trading a crown. You're going to enter with the crown. You're not even entering counter trend line break on the uptrend. You are mixing apples. I'm trying to help you, I'm not arrogant, but you are mixing apples with bananas. Does this make sense? Fair enough? And everybody, give me a second. Give me a second, everybody. It's okay, 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go, and how much? Yeah, everybody, give me a second. I am... Alright, I'm going to enter another trade. And... yeah, I'm sorry everybody, I'm giving you a class and I'm trading together. Okay, I'm going to be back in a... Boss, what do you trade? I'm not sure if I should tell you because you're going to do something, you know. There is something happening, but not for beginner traders. Makes sense, everybody? I'm trying to protect you anyway. So, alright, that is going to be it. Okay, back to class. Sam says that's okay. Alright. So AUDCHF out. Let's move on the next one. False crowns and the Fibonacci. So let's go on the AUDJPY. It's at the monthly band, not relevant. We don't have Fibonacci on AUDNZD. AUDUSD daily chart. Let's see if we can find some, or maybe we're going to find a crown that I can ask you, you know, what would you do? AUD-USD daily chart. AUD is strong. Come on, Forex. Alright. Everybody, here is the tricky question for you. If Forex is going to allow me to, I don't know where to, out, there you go. Come on, out. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to, okay, out, and rectangle, out, rectangle, out, rectangle, out. Alright, all good. If not this way, then it's going to go that way. Alright. Tricky question for you, everybody. We do have a crown, left tip, center tip, higher high. The market's moving in. Let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you, student traders, you're not a trader yet, you're an analyst. You become a trader in the Forex course 202, in the advanced institutional trader course. How many of you are willing to trade this blue crown? If you enter right now, or if you wait for the candle, daily candle to close, but let's say right now, so stop loss goes below the center tip, and did I clone. No, okay, so one more time, trying to, right click, I'm going to clone. How many of you have the courage or the stamina or the logic to buy this beautiful blue crown? Type in the chat me, or type in the chat no, not me, not. And if you say yes, me, explain why. And if you say not me, explain why not. So the question is this blue crown a false crown? Or is this blue crown a crown that makes sense as a crown, as a reversal pattern? And don't be shy, everybody, you know, I'm a nice guy. I don't bite, as you know. We are here to learn. Alright? What do you think? Hedge fund trader Sam, would you buy the blue crown? And there is. The question is this a false crown? When we say that this is a false crown, or questioning ourselves that this is a false crown, or is this a false crown, we are in the sense of, we are thinking, you know, does this price action, does this crown make sense where it is right now? So a bullish crown happened, yes it did, but does this blue bullish crown make sense? Boss, this is a difficult question, says somebody on the other streaming platform, not on YouTube. Boss, this is a difficult question. Yes, it is. So you as an analyst, you as a good analyst should go on the daily chart and zoom out. Try to see the big picture in your own way. You need to go on the weekly and try to see the big picture in your own way, so that you can make an educated decision. Make sense, everybody? And if you are going to win, pat yourself on the back. If you are going to lose, pat yourself back too. This is how we learn. What do you think, everybody? Let's make a poll. You can zoom in, you can zoom out the weekly chart. Yes, I'm going to help you, don't worry, but I would like you to work hard. And then you can zoom in like this. You know, this is not allowed, but you can project the daily crown like this and zoom in and zoom out and try to make sense, like, all right, one more minute, all right, one more minute. You need to figure out, does this blue bullish crown make sense? Okay, let me help you, but I'm not going to give you the complete answer, okay? Back in time, did this bearish crown make sense? Back in time, did this blue bearish crown make sense? Or even better, you know, this is even not the best one. I have an even better example, not that visible. look at this bearish crown, left tip, center tip, lower low. Did this bearish crown back in time made sense? Yes or no? Boss, I still don't get it what you're trying to say. Did this bearish crown make sense on any patterns back in time? I'm going to hide the future. This was the chart back in time. Did this bearish crown, the blue one, made sense back in time? And somebody is yelling at me, what do you mean? I mean, crowns are reversal patterns. Do you see any patterns that the market was in a retracement and it should or must extend? Or do you see any patterns that were in an extension and it should and must retrace? Oh, I got you, boss. Very good. What's the answer? Forex course 202, hedge fund trader Sam. Does this blue crown make any sense on any patterns? Bearish crown, the blue one on the right corner. Bearish crown symbolizes the market is going to reverse and go and push back down. What's the answer, everybody? YouTubers too, student traders on YouTube. What do you think? There is no right or wrong? Let's make a poll. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. In the meantime, I'm going to enter in another trade, 0.30 and symbol, and give me a second, 0.59. 59, no, yeah, 59, no, 5335, 533, and take profit 0.62, 0.622. Buy the market. Boss, what are you buying? Figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. We were talking about everybody, you know that if you open Darwin X0, you can get involved with me with the New York session Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right? And you can see me trading, all right? Sam says, yes, it makes sense. The other one makes no sense because the take profit is higher than the trend line. Wow. Let's see. Wow. Oh, very, very good. Applause to Sam. Good job, Sam. Good job, Sam. Good job, Sam. Alright, everybody, as we are talking about the Forex course 2, let me show you a little bit what we're doing, alright? For the last 2 months. Alright, so maybe I can motivate you a little bit. The CHF. The CHF is the money maker, or it was the money maker for the last 2 months. If Darwin X is going to appear, okay, maybe, just maybe. trade. There you go. Happy everybody? Are you happy? You can see a little bit, right? Don't bother with charts, bother with symbol. AUD-CHF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries on AUD-CHF. This is Forex course 2 conversation, everybody. Don't please, this stream is not trading advice. Okay, I'm showing you this to motivate you. Okay, it's a live account, real money. Alright? Just to motivate you. Don't do stupid things. Oh, because he is entering, I'm going to. The market can reverse in a second. And this 80 bucks right now can turn into a floating loss of a few thousand. Don't do stupid things, alright? But nonetheless, the CHF, it's overvalued. So we are going against the CHF for the last 2 months. I'm buying AUD against CHF. I'm buying Canada. 1, 2, 3. I'm buying Canada against CHF. I'm shorting CHF JPY today. This is the riskiest trade because of the yen. Yen, it's very weak still. It should gain strength in the future. And then I'm buying euro against CHF. CHF, it's overvalued. Technically, this is all technical stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4 positions, euro CHF. And then of course it's the, the small guys buying euro New Zealand. It's doing nothing, I'm shorting euro dollar. It's doing nothing, it's... And again, GBP, I'm buying GBP against the CHF. 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. And lastly, it's USD CHF losing because the dollar is weak the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Alright, but nonetheless, happy everybody? Alright, Forex course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader course. And Sam, you're correct, this crown, based on what we see, it doesn't really make a lot of sense as being a reversal pattern. Boss, can you explain? You can go one by one. Sam mentioned the downtrend line. So, talking about the downtrend line, we would expect a bearish crown at the trend line, not a bullish one. This is one. The original Fibonacci is down, A, B, C, D. So we would expect to short a bearish crown, not buying a bullish crown. You have a down market wave. This is the retracement of the market wave. So we would expect, this time we would expect a bullish crown, but not in here. The market must make, in the long run, the market must make a new lower low on the market wave, on the market structure trends. This is the logic behind everybody. All the patterns are bearish patterns. Alright? So the blue one, I would expect a bullish crown at the end of extension for the market to go into an next retracement. This is the logic behind the understanding of false crowns. And next, we talked about AUD-USD, Canada CHF. Let's see if we can find a false crown on Canada CHF. Yes, everybody, don't do stupid things with money, alright? This market can reverse, alright? In a millisecond. Oh, but if you're buying, you must be right. My risk tolerance and my knowledge, not being arrogant, has nothing to do with your risk tolerance and your knowledge. Okay, fair enough. Don't compare yourself with me. I'm not talking about being arrogant, I'm talking about experience, right? And you're learning, by the way, this in extension, retracement extension. Most of the entries, you know, Elvis has left the building. Alright, we have a crown on this Fibonacci on Canada CHF daily chart. Does this crown make sense? Would this be a false crown? I'm going to show you a better one, right? Because ABCD, the market hits the D extension. So once the market hits the D extension, generally, not always, it tends to reverse. See, look at this beautiful crown to go short. Right? This crown made sense. It went down, so every pair is specific, right? Yes, every pair is specific, and moving forward, so nothing special to see here. Canada JPY, maybe a good one. Maybe a good one, Canada JPY. Yeah, close, right? Canada JPY, a good one. Okay, so the yen is strong today, and we're looking for false crowns. That's the Fibonacci, no crown. And let's go with the market wave, right? Let's go with the market wave. F11, let's go on the weekly. Oh, there you go. Lower, 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 high. There you go. Now I'm going to go from the weekly to the daily. Alright. Let's try to find some false crowns, right? I got one, everybody. See in here, left tip, center tip, higher high. This was back in time. This is a real chart, live chart. This is a crown. It's a bullish crown, and it was for real. All right. It went from the downside up. The market was making higher highs, higher lows, like this. All right. And it's a bullish crown. You know, left tip, center tip, higher high. One last time, everybody, before we finish for today. What would happen if you would buy a bullish crown when it doesn't make any sense to be as a reversal pattern? I would wait for a retracement. I would buy the bullish crown. This is the counter trend line. That's the risk. And clone. And I'm going one for one, being humble. Loser. Loser, loser, loser. Hedge fund trader Sam. and everybody else online. If I do this, is this the market doing this to me? Is the broker against me? Is the strategy not working? Or am I self-sabotaging myself? And this is the introduction to the psychology lessons of the Forex course 101. Or am I self-sabotaging myself because I'm not following the rules of the course? Ouch, this hurts, right? In many books, not necessarily the Bible, but in many books it's written that the truth is going to set you free. If I'm buying stupid crowns, if I'm buying bullish crowns when they make no sense, if I'm shorting bearish crowns when they make no sense, is this the market doing it to me? That I'm losing pips and money? Or am I self-sabotaging myself? This is painful, but what is the correct answer? People are dropping out, of course. 90% of people lose. Oh, I don't want to hear this kind of conversation. Oh, I don't like this kind of lessons. You better be humble and learn from somebody. It doesn't need to be me necessarily, but learn from somebody who has numbers to show. And you better be humble and listen. Fair enough, in the sense of being fair as a coach, as a teacher, fair enough. I better be humble and accept and learn so I can move forward. Exactly, this is us, me and you, we're all the same psychologically. We are from different parts from the world, but the human being is the human being, and psychologically we are all the same. So this would be me self-sabotaging myself, subconsciously. My subconscious is telling me stories. I have bad trading habits, which I'm not aware, and this is why I'm not consistently profitable month after month after month, year after year after year. Does this make sense? Would this make sense? But the news is good. What's the good news? Trading is a learnable skill. But you must come, and I'm not joking, you must come to the advanced course. Alright? You're going to learn what tools institutions are using. Okay? You are a retail trader, but the professional trader has a coach that works with the trader every single day. This is just one of the tools that you are going to learn, that you must learn by yourself as a retail trader. Okay, everybody? One of the biggest issues that retail traders have is that retail traders, unfortunately, must be in one person, the analyst, the trader, and the coach. This is the challenge. I can show you how to do it, no doubt about it, okay? But the institutional trader, he is just a trader in the sense of the rich guys, you know, the rich institution, they have the analyst and the trader and the coach. But John as a retail trader, he must be 3 in 1. That's why everybody, this is one of the big reasons that explains why 90% of retail traders lose. It's not that easy, okay? It's absolutely doable, make no mistakes, but it's not easy to learn how to be the analyst and the trader in the same person and the coach in the same person. Make sense? And never forget, if Douglas can do this, and he is cleaning swimming pools, and if Julius can do this, and he's a painter, alright, then you can do it too. And